Hello everyone, today I am going to explain and analyze the Max Lang attack part 2. This part 2 video is chapter 1 to 4. I am going to explain and analyze for beginner level player, intermediate level player and advanced level player. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and please comment to my this video. Okay, we can go now chapter 1 part 2 video Max Lang attack. First move is e4. Okay, king's pawn came. Another move of black e5. King's pawn came. Bishop c4. Now attack the f7 squares pawn with black bishop. Another move of black knight f6. Whirling defense, bishop opening b4. Bishop opening Pontianic gambit. Okay, another move of black equals d4. Knight f3, knight c6. Okay, another move, beautiful move. The white moves the castling. Next move is fifth move of black, bishop go to c5. Another move of white is e5. Okay, now attack the knight and then black bishop. Black pawn go to d5. This is good move. Okay, another move of cut the knight equals f6 and black at the bishop. Then rook go to e1 and we will check. This time the black go to the king go to f8 and now another move of white, knight bd2. Okay, next move is bishop b4. Okay, bishop b4. Okay, now pin the knight. We will see what's happening going to v. Another 10th move of white a3. Okay, now bishop cross d2, cut the knight and bishop cross d2, bishop cut the bishop. Then queen go to queen cross f6. Okay, you can see right now. Queen cross d2. I think we will see cut. Queen cross f6. You can see right now. Queen cross fc4. Then knight cross d4. Okay, now knight cross d4. We will see simply checkmate white. You can see right now. Another move of black at the knight and bishop is b4 and we will check. Then only way if go to black, king go to g8 and rook go to e8 and we will checkmate. This is chapter 1 part 3 Max Lang attack. Okay, now I am going to explain and analyze chapter 2 in Max Lang attack. Okay, this is chapter 2 Max Lang attack part 2. Okay, now I am going to explain and analyze beautiful checkmate with white. Okay, first move is e4. This is already we saw. King's pawn came. Next move is e5. King's pawn came. Bishop c4. Okay, knight f6. d4 equals d4. Knight f3. Then knight c6. Okay, this called Scotch game. Scotch game. You can see right now. This is Scotch game. Scotch gambit. Okay. Next move is another move is castling. Another move of black. Bishop go to c5. Okay. Next move is e5. Threatening the knight. Now threatening the knight right now. Another move of black go to d5. Then white pawn cut the knight and black pawn cut the bishop and rook e1 and we will check. Then king go to f8. After that knight go to bd2. Then bishop b4. Pin the knight and a3. Okay, we will see what's happening going to v. Bishop cross d2. Bishop cross d2. Bishop g4. Now pin the knight. Okay, another move of h3. Okay, now what's happening? We will see h5. Go back to the h5 squares. Bishop, black bishop. Then bishop go to g5. Bishop go to g5. Okay, g cross f6. Now cut the pawn and bishop h6 and we will check. So this time king go to g8 only way. Knight goes d4. Okay, now the bishop cut the queen, d1 queen. So this is the interesting topic because you can see right now knight goes c6. Knight goes c6 and now attack the queen. If cut the pawn. easily won this game. White. You can see right now. Rook A cross D1. Okay. Now attack the queen. And queen go to C8. Okay. Then rook go to E3. Then queen G4. If go to G4, the queen is gone. So go back now. If go to queen F5. F5, beautiful capture. You can see right now, rook go to G3 and beautiful check. Now black check with queen. Now queen is gone. Okay, this is very nice game. Max Lang attack chapter 2, part 2. The Max Lang attack. Okay, that's it. We can continue now. Okay, now I am going to explain and analyze chapter 3. Okay, first move E4. King's pawn came, E5, King's pawn came, knight, bishop C4. This goal already we saw. Bishop go to C4, knight F6, D4, E cross D4, knight F3, knight C6. Then castling, another move of black, bishop go to C5, E5, then D5. Okay, then cut the knight, cut the bishop, rook go to E1 and beautiful check. Okay, another move. Right, rook H, another move of black go to bishop E6, then knight G5. Okay, attack the F7 squares pawn and E6 squares bishop with white knight. Another move of queen cross F6, then knight cross C6. After that, F cross C6, queen H5 and we will check. Now you can see right now what's happening going to be. Here is a check. Okay, double attack on the king and the bishop. You can see now this bishop. Now check here. The king should be moved. Okay, now king go to here and queen cross C5 and that's it. The piece, the black pieces, the bishop got loose. The black lose his bishop. Okay, that's it. This is chapter 3. We can call now chapter 4. Okay. Now I am going to explain and analyze chapter 4, Max Lang attack. Okay, first move is E4, King's pawn came, E5, King's pawn came, knight C4, bishop C4, knight F6, D4, E cross D4, knight F3, knight C6, and castling, black white is castling, beautiful castling, and bishop C5, E5. Then D5, black pawn go to D5. And another move of E cross D is F6 and D cross C4, rook E1 and beautiful check, and black the check with bishop E6 and knight G5. Okay, now queen go to D6. Okay, another move of knight cross E6. Okay, then F cross C6, F cross G7, rook G8, queen H5 and beautiful check. Then king go to D7. After that, knight go to D2. Now you can see right now, black faces an unstoppable threat of knight e4. I will show you this threat. If go here and the bishop. Okay. Now go to knight e5. Black and if go to e5, then lose the game black. I will show you how to lose the game. Knight e4 and poke the queen and bishop. King queen go to c6. Then another check. Knight f6 and beautiful check and poke rook on. King go to d6 and beautiful rook capture with the white knight. That's it. This is chapter 4. Okay, we will show another chapter part 3 tomorrow. Okay, that's it.